Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen me before, my name is Chantal, nice to meet you. And if you do like the video, make sure you give it a like and make sure you press that subscribe button. I'm going to be taking off my makeup just to figure out like how to work my camera and then maybe I'll upload it, I don't know. This is literally just to see how well my camera does. I've literally just got a new camera and I'm so excited. But let's go do my skincare. To start off, I do need to take... Oh my god. Pretty sure this is a kid's headband. That big forehead. These lashes, by the way, are amazeballs. So these lashes are actually from Wildcat Lashes and I think they're Wild Child, but I need to take them off. And they last up to like 60 uses, which I'm really excited about because I love these lashes. Make it look like you have lash extensions without all of like the agitation of having them. That's one off. I actually glue them to the bottom of my lash line. They look more natural, more like lash extensions. These are the lashes. They are literally God's lashes. They're made for people that want lash extensions but just can't be bothered with the cost and the hassle really. But let's go wash my face. There's only one cleanser I actually use now and it's in the bathroom. It's from the Body Shop and it has like this special flower in it that helps with like skin barrier repair. Really, really good. I'm about to show you. This is the cleanser that I use. It's honestly so good if you ever see this. I think it's only £12 as well. I've been using it to heal my skin barrier. I've still got quite a few blemishes I need to get rid of though. I have actually just noticed that I've taken my makeup off and I haven't taken my mascara off properly, so I'm gonna do that now. So I've got my micellar water. This one is amazing for taking a waterproof mascara, by the way. There's literally nothing else that takes off my mascara. I use this one, it just doesn't come off. This micellar water is the only thing that really takes it off, other than like cleansing balms. The only problem with my skin at the moment is that it's really dry. That's just expected when it comes to having a broken skin barrier. Because it's during the night time, I'm gonna use this. I think it's a benzoyl peroxide cream. I used to get one from the doctors by Duac, but I don't know why they just stopped doing my prescription. But I just put this on like my chin area where I get like hormonal breakouts. It has been helping me recently, but it has given me really dry skin. That's the only problem. Then I'm going to go in with my hyaluronic acid. This one's from Good Molecules and it's amazing. They actually do a smaller version, but I buy the big version because I literally live off this stuff. But yeah, if you haven't seen me before, I'm actually on TikTok. I've just reached 800k followers, which I've been waiting for a while because I said as soon as I'm going to reach 800k, I'll start my YouTube back up again. I did a poll on my Instagram yesterday asking what like people wanted to see, and it was more like testing hacks and stuff like that, which I'm going to do. But as like an introduction video, I thought, you know what, let's wind down, let's get to know each other. I have already put hyaluronic acid on, but I think I'm going to use this Glow Recipe BHA Watermelon Toner. It's really nice and it smells really good as well. It helps minimize pores as well and it smells like cactus watermelon. Honestly, so nice. I got my new camera. Oh my god, look at all of that stuff that just came up my skin. My skin's quite bad at the minute, but this is all scarring. Like, I have no active spots at the minute. Then I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. This one, if you haven't seen this before, it went viral on TikTok because I think Kim K's makeup artist uses it as like a primer. You'll see as I'm putting this on, like it makes your skin look amazeballs. And then I'm gonna use this from the Body Shop. I think I use like 1-2 drops. Put that all over my eyeballs. The last step in my skincare routine, everybody knows that this is the bomb. This is Grow Glow. It has no prostaglandins in it, so it won't make your eyes change colour, it won't make you blind, it won't make you have really big under eye circles. And I also have a code actually. I think it's Chantel, if not I'll put it here. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you did like the video, please make sure you like it and make sure you subscribe as well to see what videos I'm gonna post next. And then I will see you guys soon. I love you so much and follow my TikTok. Bye bye.